Have so many views.
Hey, you know what my favorite Twitch meme is? Feels good man clap. Is something too quiet for you? Just slap a feels good man clap in chat. Gone for the feels good man clap world record. Feels good man clap, feels good man clap.
Really?
Hello Felix. I asked during the Valorant beta what monitor you recommend, the Asus 240Hz one. Good purchase. Now I'm asking what chair would you recommend since mine sucks ball second I wish to change it. Have a nice stream xQcL.
If you're like a gaming chair only Andy, I'd get a Secret Lab.
4 months.
If you're like me, you're over gaming chairs, you could get a Hermit Embody or Aeron. And I'm trying to steel case I don't know what it's called anymore. But it is kind of cool actually. It looks fun to do.
3 months xQc.
The leap, the steel case leap. But I haven't tried it yet, so don't hold your breath, dude.
xQt senpai morshi morshika y desu ni ayayak lap.
Yeah, of course it's useless. That's the whole point.
If you like Miss Jackson, you should play Elevator by Outcast as well. Also, Fall Guys is back bugoo.
Wait, is that how they actually make pillars? They just put like concrete into a big cylinder?
xQcOW. Do you know what 9 plus 10 is? Is it 21?
Then why did they put
21?
Why did they put like steel rods in the middle then?
Love you xQc's chat. Hey, can I get a welcome to the jungle for clapping your mom's cheeks last night? Yeah, that's right, I clapped your mom.
This is actually fun to watch, dude. I like this.
Content to watch. I'm sorry, Miss Jackson, I am for real. Never meant to make your daughter apologize a trillion. xQcL.
This is cool, dude. Yeah, it's just like a real house.
I am from EU and proud.
They better put a hardwood floor. They better. Oh, not tile, dude. Tile sucks balls, man. Guys, tile is so bad. It shouldn't be. It shouldn't even exist.
Hey, man, I bought a plate today. It's pretty pop.
It looks like shit. It feels like shit. It's terrible. Tile is trash.
Pogu also, this song is nice for this time of day. Thought you'd enjoy this new video. I made an animation.
Why is there a million fucking
xQcL? 19 months of juice. Thanks, Felix. xQcL.
This is kind of cool, I guess.
Easy clap.
Man, they went full tryhard. See, it's all tile. Come on, man. Cool but useless. True.
In a universe that is 14 billion years old, on a planet that has consisted of 108 billion people, in a time period where 8 billion people are coexisting, and we are lucky enough to be alive to see one man named xQc change so many lives, we love you xQcL.
Well, that's actually cool, dude.
3-month frog, thanks for the good streams QVC xQcL.
Why is that a tub?
xQcL. xQc, my man.
It's actually really well done then.
W out.
That's the wrong way though. Okay, dude.
xQc, can you check out 5D chess? It's on Steam and uses time travel.
Maybe.
You should
Is that an oven?
moderate your chat better, my mans.
Chat's fine, dude. My mans.
xQcOW.
I don't even call you my mans. Yo, mans. Mans not hot, dude. Yeah. It's a sink, right? This is cool, dude.
3 months.
There's like a mini motor in there too.
xQcL.
What is that for? Also this.
Finally, xQc made IT into top 1 Bogu.
You're hearing that much on YouTube for once. Cool, man. Chat, listen, I have a problem with this. Literally, all the floors of these entire house is all tile. Why not a hardwood floor, dude? For once.
Yo man, thanks for
Or like
streaming
carpet.
as much as you do.
I love carpet.
xQcL.
That's ugly as shit.
Felix, your nose looks smaller today. Still, play fight crab today maybe, yeah. Crab.
Guys, stop talking shit. Carpet is pug. Carpet is rank 1.
Praygasm.
Guys, tile, it gets cold at night. It hurts your feet. It's annoying when you're walking barefoot.
Hey,
It's hard.
XQc.
It's trash,
Listen to
dude.
this. Yo, xQc in your house.
No, you're not.
Merch when Mr. Cow, I'm waiting. 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 Still waiting.
Why is it
Still.
that hardwood floors for rich people, dude? It's like the opposite.
Hot.
You can get like fake hardwood floor, whatever, like this like weird hybrid thing.
God bless the Queen. 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 God bless the
That's really what it
Queen.
looks like from above. Yeah, carpet's cheaper, exactly. Carpet's pog, dude. Wait, how long is this video, dude? What the fuck? Jesus. Chat, the interior decoration is really bad. I said it. It's just not good.
Hey Felix. Hope you have fun streaming today. What superpower would you choose if you could choose one? Teleportation doesn't count. Good decision to up the TTS. Cheers.
Guys, okay, guys, listen. I don't want to be a tasteless Andy,
Hello,
chat,
Mr.
but it's
Cap, could
all
you
black
please
and white.
have a
There's no
look at this?
accent. There's no like What's cool with black and white is that if you put a color or something of interest, it pops out. It blind. Whoa, nice. And you can use that effect to make something look cooler or whatever. When there's nothing, the room feels really empty and just kind of sad. It's only black and white.
Hi, Felix.
It can even be just a plant.
Chat. Hope you all doing alright and healthy. You know this lockdown been messing with me big time.
Modern look is
I
cool.
lost my job as a
but-
trucker not long ago and in general just having bad thoughts in my head lately.
I took a look at better, man.
Sad. Anyways, at least 9 months up too.
I farted, now it smells like a mummy in my room.
5 months, this is epic. Big thank you to chat for being there.
Well, with
much
colors
love.
that they are
xQcL world
timeless.
record.
That's
That's
not entirely
right,
true.
xQcL world record. xQcL world record. xQcL.
I'm telling you,
xQc.
even if it's not that cool,
Five
or not that good,
months of juice souls.
when it's something colorful, in a black and white environment, it'll look
This
good.
is better than your trailer
It's
home.
just the way it is, I think. Oh, they did hardwood floor! But it looks like bamboo. Oh, this is trash. Burn it. Your daughter would love that room? That's cool. What does it have to say? That's cute. Send me, let's not say. Guys, Simi has officially lost the right to talk about fashion, interior design, anything like that in chat. She lost that right yesterday. Did you know that?
Yo xQc,
Wanna show them the
I
combo?
know that forcing collabs is weird, champ. But I know that Hikaru mentioned that you guys were gonna play Overwatch a while back. I was just wondering when that might happen. I think that it is always POG content when you play with other creators. Happy 6 months. xQcOW.
What is that? Oh,
Watch
it's
this.
essential.
It's how Twitch handled Doc.
This is cool, dude. It actually works.
xQcXL sas pops. 15 months sick. Also Coolio Dole has much love Cowman xQcL.
Guys, me and Sammy do not align mentally when it comes down to interior decor. Whenever she has an idea for something, someone's like, what the fuck is that, dude? Like, she's just not as trendy. She's not an artist like I am. She's just not like as. She doesn't have taste like I do. I have finesse, art. My taste is timeless. My vision is forever. Sammy, she says, oh, buy the TikTok LEDs, dude.
Actual porn intro Craigasm.
Yeah, that was such a long video, but I actually enjoyed this.
Is this 5-minute crafts? xQc Cheeto.
Let's not. Oh, it's actually gonna spin!
Hey notice me, hey notice me, hey notice me, hey notice me. Hey chat, I want to see how many weebs are in chat. Can you type hi if you are a weeb for me? Okay, I'm waiting. Quickly mods ban the pedos, ban the pedos, ban the pedos.
There's in the water. Turn it on, man. No way.
Was crazy without the gaming golem for 10 days. Much love, man. 1 year, xQcL.
Damn, dude, it actually works.
I can't.
That's cool, dude.
PVC, you should try game called It Steals It, really intense horror game xQcL.
See, this interior design is a failure, dude. That's a fail.
Please react to Michael Reeves' new video. It's only 7 minutes long and I think you would enjoy it. Here's link, Lee.
The what? The whose video?